Hello everyone and welcome to our third session in the revision. Okay, let's solve this one. This is a multiple choice and he is giving me choices, different choices like mass, matter, property, volume, magnetism, and balance and graduated cylinder. Okay, what is anything that has a mass and take up a space? It is the matter. Yeah, it is the matter. So matter is anything that has a mass and takes up a space. Okay, what is the amount of the matter making an object? It's a mass. Amount of matter means the mass. Okay, what is how much space an object take? It's a volume, right? Okay, this question I said it in the first revision. What is the characters that you can observe? I said that the color and shape and size are called a property, and it's a physical property and not a chemical property. If you remember number 11 in the MCQ in the revision sheet. Okay, so this will be property. Okay, what is the ability of the matter to attract certain metals? Actually, this is called a magnetism, because the magnetism is a force, okay, that comes from the magnet that can pull the metallic objects. Okay, to measure the mass, we can use what? We can use balance, actually. To measure the volume, we can need graduated cylinder. Okay, fill in the space. What is the upward force? I said it in the last time. The upward force that make most of the ships can float is the buoyancy. Okay? When strength is needed, what is a good choice? Of course, iron, because it's much stronger than the wood. What is better when you need a light material that can be easily shaped? Of course, wood, because the wood can be reshaped to different parts. We can make chair, we can make bed, we can make tables and different materials from the wood because it's lighter than the iron. Sugar and salt will what in the water? They will dissolve completely in the water, but sand will not dissolve. Dissolve means that it will be blended completely in the water. Okay, what is the distance? This will be in the measurements. What is the distance from one place to another? One place to another, of course, it will be the length. Okay, anything that has a mass and take up a space, it's a matter. The amount of gravity between an object and planet, this is the weight. The mass of an object divided by its volume, we said that this is a relationship between the mass and volume. This is a density. The amount of the matter an object take, this is the mass. The amount of space and not the matter, this is a volume. The general formula for characteristics that you can observe without changing the substance is made of, this is a physical property. Okay, this is for the elements in metal and non-metals. All you have to know that the metal is shiny and can be reshaped, but the non-metals do not have any property from the metals. Okay, so what is the substance that made up of only one type of matter? Actually, this is the element. We said before that the element is a pure substance and it's made up of only one type of matter. This is called the element. What are made up of atom? Also the elements. The elements are made up of tiny, small particles called atoms. What is shiny and can be bent? I just tell you that this is a metal. What that has none of these properties? This is a non-metal. Okay. Determine if these elements are metal or non-metals. I will determine according, is it shiny and can be reshaped? Yes or no? Okay, oxygen, is it metal? No, it's non-metal. Okay, iron. Yes, it's metal because it's shiny and can be reshaped. Aluminium, yes, it's shiny and can be reshaped. Hydrogen, no, it's not shiny and cannot be reshaped. Copper, yes. Silver, yes. All of these are copper and silver and gold are shiny and can be reshaped into different parts. Nitrogen, no, it cannot be reshaped and it's not shiny. Okay, we said before that condensation and evaporation and freezing and melting are physical changes, right? Okay, we will solve this in the next session with the rest of questions. Thank you so much and hope you enjoyed the revision for today.